Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials, a usable sorcery or technique and a quiet area. Once done, equip the ability you plan to focus and open the character menu. This routes you to focus options faster. Make sure to clear nearby enemies so the process won't cancel. Then select the target ability and choose the focus or fusion action. This initiates the meter. You do this because uninterrupted activation raises success chance and prevents wasted resources, so act quickly but deliberately. You now perform the detailed execution. Press and hold the focus activation button, watching the meter climb to the required threshold. While holding, apply consumables or temporary buffs that boost success rate. This changes the internal probability in your favor. Once the meter reaches the mark, release precisely to confirm. Make sure stamina and mana stay above the cutoffs so the game won't cancel the action midway. This careful timing and resource management raises overall efficiency and reduces. You finish by validating the focused effect. Check your loadout or skill tree to confirm the ability changed as intended. If it didn't, troubleshoot by increasing the focus meter next attempt or using a higher grade consumable to boost success. Once done, save immediately to lock progress. If the process repeatedly fails, return to a safe zone and reload or reapply buffs before retrying. This resets any transient penalties. That single reset step often resolves most stuck cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.